Today I'm going to show you how to do a back snap for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a back snap, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop back swipe. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance. Turn slightly towards your target. From there, you're going to crouch down and put your hand on the ground behind you. Then you're going to jump off both of your feet at the same time and try to get your hips up as much as you can. And then finish the move landing back in a backside stance. Now, the only other way that you can do this is just add a spin in front of it. And I do recommend that you get used to that because we will be doing it in a combo later on. Key things to remember, make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump. And try to go backwards as much as you can, but it doesn't matter if it's straight backwards or a little bit slanted. Just start off going sideways and try to go back over more and more and more. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support Upraiz Tricking, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to level 1.7, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.